y'all. Okay, here's what we got from Walmart. I got a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, 2 cans of SpaghettiOs with meatballs. That's Adrian's favorite. I got 2 cans of the red enchilada sauce and 2 cans of the green enchilada sauce. They're both mild. I got the petite diced tomatoes in tomato juice, and then I also got diced tomatoes with green peppers, celery, and onion. 2 cans of beef broth, 2 cans of chicken broth, and 2 cans of whole kernel corn. Also got a small can of tomato paste, and then just an impulse thing, I got this salsa verde mild. Courtney requested some flaming hot crunchy Cheetos. Also got a can of just original Rotel, and they actually had some disinfecting wipes in, so I got one of the big ones of the Great Value and one of these of the Lysol. We got some Aunt Jemima buttermilk pancake mix and some of the Great Value butter flavored syrup. And y'all be on the lookout. I'm going to be doing a recipe on how to make like fruit roll-ups, and I'm using applesauce. I've got strawberry applesauce and cinnamon applesauce. We also got a bag of mild cheddar cheese. I got a package of corn tortillas. And then these are for the kids' stocking. I've got these little caramel chocolate. I think they're little Santa Clauses. And then some Nerds. I have some heavy whipping cream, some sugar, and then I needed some different spices. I got some oregano, garlic, turmeric, lemon, pepper, and then salt. I also got brown gravy mix, a chicken gravy mix, and then I got this chili seasoning packet. Got some salted butter sticks, some of this Bullseye original barbecue sauce, some onions, some bell peppers, and we like to use this. It looks kind of defective, but I think it'll be fine. All of them were like that in this one. We like to get the lavender bubble bath stuff. Also got some of these little kosher dill pickles. They're the small vlasic kind. They're very good. We love French vanilla creamer, so I got another big thing of that. Prego traditional. The kids like these toaster strudels, cream cheese and strawberry. We have some chicken fries. We got the big bag. And then I got a 20 count of sausage biscuits, the Jimmy Dean brand. And now I'm going to show you what I got from one of our local grocery stores. We buy the Lipton gallon-sized tea bags, and Walmart only had Southern sweet tea ones. It was like already sweetened, and I wasn't sure how we would like that because we sweeten it ourselves. So I found this at one of our local grocery stores, but it's like 2 boxes in one. There's 48 gallon-sized tea bags, so that'll make 48 gallons of tea. I also needed some spices, and these were a pretty good deal, $1.59. Hopefully they're good, because Walmart had the curry powder, and it was like $3.80 something, and I was like, didn't even want to buy it. I didn't buy it there, of course. But I needed coriander, found that there. And then the dill weed was just something I wanted to have anyways, and then the curry powder. So that was at a separate store. Yeah.